Okay, so we're going to go over the test of this Bradley MPL motor. Here we have the MPL motor from Motion, and this was just a motor that we had laying around in the shop, and I wanted to show you the differences between the two motors. So this is the motor that you sent in and you had some questions about, and what we had found was that the windings were shorted to ground. And we're going to show you that here by going over two separate tests. This is just a regular ohm meter, and we're going to put one meter lead onto the case, and then the other meter lead onto the windings. And you can see right there it's reading 2.4 ohms on U, 2.4 ohms on V, and actually shorted on the W, shorted directly to ground. In comparison here, this is a used MPL motor here. You would typically read megohms because what you're reading is the insulation between the winding and the housing, the motor housing. So right here, this meter you can see is reading complete megs on all three windings. So now we're going to do a meg test. We'll start off with this one, is the other one. So we're going to put one on the ground, one on the motor case. It's going to read 0. That indicates a direct short. And then we'll move over to, and that's correct because your ground is attached to the case. We'll move over to the U winding, 2.2 giga ohms. That is as high as this meter will go. It's in perfect condition. We'll go to the V. Same again, 2.2 giga ohms. And then the W, again, 2.2 gigs. Now we'll move over to your motor here. We'll start out with the ground, which should be shorted, which is correct. Now we'll start out with the U, which should be 2.2 gigs. And what we're seeing here is that it's directly shorted, reading 0 ohms. We'll go to the W, shorted as well. And the last lead, direct shorted. So what that's showing us is that the windings on this motor is shorted to ground. The W is shorted to ground. And the only way to fix that is to have it rewound. These motor windings are encapsulated. There's no dip and bake or anything like that on these, so rewind is absolutely necessary. Thank you.